believe I'm here. Now it feels real. Okay, big day. You ready, Adeline?
I'm ready.
Adeline, are you cold?
It's only 80 degrees.
Okay, here we go. Our first stop is gonna be Cave of the Winds, and that's because it is the one attraction of all of them that you kind of have to like request a time. Like you can't just, it sounds like almost like a movie theater situation where you buy your tickets and they tell you what time to come, and it doesn't seem like it's a, you know, you just get in line and you go kind of thing. Everything else just show up, go, do, have fun, and this one requires like a reservation or a time frame or something. I know, that makes no sense. Can I help you?
I don't take cash.
Do you need a credit card?
No, I've got it.
Okay, there's another piece of information. They don't take cash, so have credit card ready. This is for parking. Are we in parking lot 2 after all that?
I don't know, but we paid, so we're
Oh,
parking.
Adeline. God. I did all this work to make sure we went to the right. Do you want to walk 5 miles?
Is this parking lot 2?
Oh, thank God. Thank you. I did all this research to minimize it. But I did all this research so we wouldn't have to walk for miles and miles, because God forbid we walk for miles and miles.
We need the exercise.
But I know. Shh, be quiet.
I didn't even, God takes me to parking lot 2.
Okay. All right, so parking lot 2 is where you want to park for Cave of the Winds. And this is why you should watch my videos, because I give you pointless information that no one else bothered to like throw in there that I think is really important. I hope you do too. Cave of the Winds. Adeline doesn't like to get wet. I hate to break the news to her. We are gonna be soaked. We just watched this awesome movie that kind of gave the background of the history of Niagara Falls. It was fascinating. I had no idea. It used to be, I'll tell you more, it was crazy. It used to have like all these factories, and it was gross and smoky, and they did this whole campaign to return the falls to their natural beauty, and it turned into a state park. They got rid of all the factories, and there was only one, I want to say like one business that was put back up on there, which is interesting, right? They took all the factories and then they brought one factory and put it back, but it was designed by Tesla and Westinghouse, and it provided electricity using the water from the falls. And first they were just powering up nearby Buffalo, which is like 20 miles away, and then it just kept expanding out and out and out from there. And apparently it's the same electrical system that we still use now, and it's been like 100 years or something.
Wow, it's cold down here.
Okay, sorry, I couldn't quality control this part for you.
It feels like England.
Oh my God, I'm so glad that half of the scary part for me is over, which is we had to ride in an elevator. It was very quick, but still going down, how much did he say? 150 feet through solid rock. So I only have to do that one more time today and then done. But apparently this is so gonna be worth it.
Hi, welcome to the Cave of the Winds.
Hi, thank you. Look, look, Maid of the Mist, Maid of the Mist. We're gonna be doing that next.
About that?
So you know how I do lots of research, right? So look at these people feet. Look at you, Adeline. You put your feet inside the shoe.
Yeah, to keep them dry.
I'm putting them over the shoe.
Oh, my shoes are waterproof.
Just a couple bucks, like 12 bucks on Amazon. And now our feet and our shoes, hopefully, aren't gonna get wet. Okay, my turn.
Hey, you wanna come?
Can you stop yelling
Walk
on my
with me.
video? Can you? Are you doing? Here. Okay. Layer 1. I feel like I'm wearing 17 trash bags. Ready? Okay. I'm glad that my feet aren't going to get wet. But I sure am going to have a heck of a time walking all these steps in my feety pants I bought. That's a long step. Look, look. I feel like I'm in a freaking sauna. So somewhere up there is Terrapin Point, which we're also going to go to, where you walk out in the state park down a trail, and then you wind up just like feet from the top. So we're also going to see Niagara Falls from the top of the falls. Adeline gave up, so I'm going in alone. Just me and you guys. Oh, maybe this wasn't such a good idea. It's driving Adeline insane. She wants me to show you all these birds, and she wants to know why they're here. You want to see all the birds?
Millions of birds.
And then I'll tell you why I'll tell her and you why they're here. Come on. The reason why is because it's a safe area, like an alcove for them, and they lay their eggs here.
That's why there are so many babies.
It's the nest. It's the nest area.
Oh, he's a baby.
Hi, little fledgling.
Let's talk about what happens when there are lots of birds in a small area.
Oh, you mean this?
And one more thing.
Avian flu?
It smells!
And avian flu.
Water.
I know. What am I going to do about it? Hold real tight.
Hold your phone, I'll hold it you.
Okay. I can't really get it from here. Okay, are you okay?
I'm a little scared.
Okay. We were on the perfect boat. There was just a handful of people. Look at the boat after us. That is way too many people for me. And then all those people. Adeline, we were on the perfect one.
We were. Lucky us.
over the edge. And look how close.